Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to add featured photos and videos in your Facebook account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app, here I go. Your profile appears. Now at the middle section you can see the edit profile option, tap on that. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see featured option and try it option, tap on that, try it. Now you can add some photos and videos from your camera roll or from your stories or from your uploaded photos. Here I will be adding some photos from camera roll. After you have selected the photos or videos, you can tap on next at the top right corner. Now you can give a title to your featured photos. After you are done, you can tap on done at the top right corner. Wait for a few seconds, it is in the process. Now you can go and check your profile. Here you can see your featured photos. In this way, you can easily add featured photos or videos in your Facebook account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.